Jusqu'à la dernière minute, c'était pour eux la
Until
seule
the
porte
last
de
minute,
sortie
it was
possible.
for them the only possible way out. The Saint-Martin airport, families have separated because only women and young children have been able to leave the island.
That's going to be a bit difficult these days, but after José, it could continue for several weeks. I prefer that my family is far. I can manage.
Ces dernières heures,
Last Saturday, a race against time was started in order to prepare the inhabitants for this new event.
Nous, ce qu'on va vous demander,
We will ask you to reinforce the little that remains to you above your heads with what you can find, boards, plates, to be able to hold.
pour être en mesure de tenir.
To hold everything now seems permissible. Here, 3 refugee families under one roof, and for them, resourcefulness is understood in the broad sense.
We know very well how it happens here. Now it's open bar. That's to say that all empty dwellings where there is no one inside, we take what there has to strengthen our homes, equip and eat. All the great principle that we have inculcated, it's finished. Now it's survival. We are in survival.
Mais sur l'île, l'information
But
peine
on
à
the
circuler.
island, information is difficult to circulate. At a time when confinement is supposed to be in place, many people are still wandering the streets, where reigns a feeling of insecurity because in recent days the residents witnessed scenes of plunder. Some used directly in shops getting like this home appliance store. Patients fortunately have had time to be transported to Guadeloupe, notably at the Pointe-à-Pitre University Hospital. Anna Maria's just arrived from Saint-Martin. She was hospitalized there, but after the passage of the hurricane, a transfer to Guadeloupe was decided.
Beaucoup d'eau était rentrée. Alors je me suis mise à
A
courir.
lot of water came in, so I started running and I
Et je suis
fell.
tombée.
I fell there. You
Je suis
see?
tombée là.
There.
Tu vois, là.
The Saint-Martinoise has lost everything. It has crossed the doors of the hospital in a state of great
Les
weakness.
premiers soins, c'est déjà regarder le dossier médical.
First aid is already looking at the medical record, watching the care that is being done. There we continue the rehydration and we put painkillers in the perfusions.
Dans les perfusions que vous voyez.
Eve had a stroke on the night of the hurricane. Without water and without electricity, the hospital of Saint-Martin was no longer able to handle this huge case.
Laisse-moi aller au l'hôpital.
When I went to the hospital, they told me they had to send me to Guadeloupe because we were waiting for a second cyclone on Saint-Martin.
Parce que demain, il y a un cyclone encore qui va passer en Saint-Martin encore.
The health authorities of Guadeloupe have triggered the right plan. The medical staff have been doubled and beds have been freed, faced massive influx of patients. 150 have already been cared for
Il y a des gens
in
qui
2
viennent avec un
days.
stress majeur, ça c'est clair.
There are people who come with a major stress, it's clear. Now, I would say that we are surprised by the lack of expression of this stress. I.e., they don't speak of fear. They are first there to seek treatment, they expect us to take them medically, but don't express the stress they felt during the cyclone.
After the hurricane José, the aerial rotations will be able to resume.